Okay, this is a standard UK car, 300C SRT8 with its standard built-in Thatcham alarm. I'm fitting a Dball, which is being flashed for RSR use. All I've done is plugged in the plug on the back of the ignition switch here, which I've had to take out because it's so close to the centre console that I couldn't get at the socket. That's the only reason I've taken it out. So I've taken it out, I've plugged in the Dball, which is just sitting down in here at the moment, and I've literally not used any of the extra wiring, just plugged in the wire into one end and then the socket into the other. So I've pulled one socket out, plugged it in and plugged the socket in the other end. That's taken me all of about 30 seconds. Put the key in the ignition. It's a standard phobic. Put the key in the ignition, turned the engine to on, waited for the LED on the machine to stop flashing from orange to green. It started green flashing, and then I switched it off and taken the key out of the ignition just to prove it all works on the basis of 30 seconds of plugging and unplugging, 3 presses on the lock button. And there it is, it started with no key in the ignition, and I can turn it off again with three squeezes on the close button again, and that's it. No extra wiring, 30 seconds to pull the plug out, put the plug in. The only problem was, because of that ignition barrel being right over the other side, I had to actually undo the ignition barrel to get everything.